Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix connection and loading errors in Google Chrome. So if websites aren't loading or Chrome keeps showing connection errors, then just follow along. First, check that your internet connection is working by opening another app or website. And if your connection is fine, close Chrome completely, then reopen it. Next, refresh the web page or try opening it in a new tab. And if only one website isn't working, then the problem may be with that website rather than the Chrome itself. Now, update Chrome to the latest version by visiting your device's App Store or Chrome setting menu if you're using a computer. You can also try clearing Chrome's browsing data, including cache and cookies, since corrupted data can prevent pages from loading correctly. And if you're using VPN, proxy, or ad blocker, then try disabling it temporarily and see if the website loads normally. And if nothing works, restart your device and then try again. And if you're still getting connection errors, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network problems. So that was how to fix connection and loading errors in Google Chrome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.